Here I have HTC Desire and 816, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly, let's go to the upper bar, then tap on this icon here to access these buttons, and here you can enable power saver. So just by tapping on this button you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can adjust some of its optimizations, like you can conserve CPU usage, you can reduce screen brightness, you can turn off vibration feedback, you can put to sleep when screen is off. I mean data. You can put data connection to sleep when screen is off, you can disable vibrations, you can reduce screen brightness and conserve CPU usage. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.